Hi guys, welcome back to this MBA podcast. I have Ashwin with me. Ashwin is from SCIT, by the way. He has given SNAP exam, and with 75 percentile, he could beat the average package of new IIMs, by the way. He has made it to the Fortune 500 company in the world. बहुत बड़ा company है, profile भी बहुत अच्छा है. And welcome to the session, यार. I would love to understand your story. 75 पे इतना बड़ा jump मारा आपने. So give me a little idea about yourself. आप कहाँ से हो, आपने क्या किया, आपकी profile, work ex, वगैरह वगैरह.
So introducing myself, my name is Ashwin Raj A. I'm from Kerala.
Okay.
And I did my bachelor's in mechanical engineering.
Okay.
And I started working as a core mechanical engineer jobs only. So I started looking forward for it.
Okay.
And after working 2 years, I understood I need to work in more dynamic area, so it has to be dynamic for me. So I considered writing an MBA, engineering with an MBA. So that was my idea. And then I understood like which all the exams which I have to give. Then I gave SNAP, and then I wanted to shift to an IT domain.
Okay.
So I found SCIT as a niche college in the IT domain. So that's why I landed up here. And
okay. Follow-up question, Ashwin.
Yeah.
Can you explain us why SCIT was your preferred choice over and above any other B school in the country from any other exam answers like, CAT, ZAT and all that?
Yeah.
So what attracted you towards SCIT predominantly?
So predominantly SCIT's, what I looked for was the course in data science and data analytics. So
data science and data analytics.
Yeah,
okay.
It was in a boom at that time.
Okay.
And I wanted to explore more options through that. And SCIT was not giving a criteria like you have to have a particular pre-experience in this particular domain. So that was not there.
Cool.
So it was for me, for an experienced person in core domain such as mechanical or electrical, and I wanted a shift towards IT. This was my best shot.
Okay.
Like this was my only shot.
Okay.
So the other campuses which I observed, they had certain criterias, and SCIT did not have a criteria, and I could land a job in SCIT, and I could land in SCIT. That was a graceful time.
So understand this, guys. मतलब एक engineer बंदा with like let's say 2 years of work ex, right? And then SNAP percentile is like okay.
Yeah.
And then getting into one of the best profiles. So we'll talk about your profile also now.
Sure.
So can you give us a little idea that what is your profile? If I'm not wrong, it's pre-sales, right?
Yes.
Right. You can disclose the name of the company. अगर वो allowed है तो, if it's not, then it's fine.
Yeah.
Because we know it's a big brand, but you can still go ahead with that. So थोड़ा profile के बारे में बताना.
So I got placed in Salesforce. Salesforce India, Bangalore.
That's a huge brand.
Yeah. And the role is pre-sales emerging solution in engineering.
Okay.
So I got through summer internship, and then I converted.
Wow. That's a PPO.
Yeah, that's a PPO.
So good. Good. Go ahead.
So pre-sales is something which comes before the sales. It's not actual sales. You understand the solutions which the company is offering. Salesforce is a product company.
Right.
So they have a lot of products. They have customer 360-degree products. So we study the products, and we study the customer, and then we develop the solution for the customer, and then we pitch for the customer. This is how it's going to work for you.
Nice. So guys, I'll give you a brief about pre-sales. Pre-sale is one of the hot profile out there, but not very well known to a lot of public, by the way. So pre-sales, what do? You basically help your company to grow by pitching to the clients, by doing a lot of research, by taking care of all the decks, pitch decks and all that. तो ये काफी cool चीजें होती है. इसमें traveling भी included है, इसमें client facing job भी included है, and you ended up working with the CXOs, by the way. So pre-sales is now demanding, and it's a part of consulting. So consulting the बहुत बड़ा domain है, but he's kind of getting into consulting domain of IT part, if I'm not wrong. Now, my last question, rather second last question.
Okay.
Why SNAP? CAT भी है, ZAT भी है, CMAT भी है, CET भी है. You could have gone to any other exam.
Yes.
But then why SNAP categorically?
See, every exams have its perks and the downfall also.
Right.
So for me, I wrote CAT as well.
Okay.
So it's everything. So the problem with the CAT is everything comes to a one day. Right. So one day, it may be good for you, it may not be good for you.
Right.
So whereas well as SNAP, I wrote the 3 exams. So SNAP gives you 3 choices. That's a really big advantage. So one was I felt I didn't do it really good. Then I gave it again. So I felt a bit ease in my consciousness.
Got it.
Then I would say that is why SNAP is important. And so 70 to 90% you have a lot of choice.
Exactly.
So you have a lot of opportunities waiting for you in SNAP. rather than just like, get into 99 percentile, 95
Yes.
percentile,
Yes.
and Bhago,
Yes.
Thodo.
Yeah.
Not like that.
Yeah. You know what, guys? That is the biggest advantage that Snap has. People at 70, 75, 80, 90, 95, and 99 can get into good B skills. So now he at 75 made it to, rather he cracked new IIMs का जो average benchmark है, ये बहुत कम एग्जाम्स में दिखता है, बिकॉज कैट में भी इतने लो परसेंटाइल पे तुमको उस लेवल के कॉलेजेस नहीं मिलेंगे जो तुमको ये प्लेटफॉर्म देंगे. एंड बाय द वे जो सेल्सफोर्स कंपनी है, इट गोज टू न्यू आईएम्स मेरे ख्याल से, इट गोज टू एनएमएमएस मुंबई मेरे ख्याल से. So this brand goes to all tier 1 colleges. And then here is Ashwin who made it to it via SCIT. So that's the biggest advantage of SCIT, that it does accept students at 70, 75, 80 percentile. And again, big thanks to SNAP exam कि उनका criteria 70, 75 पे भी है बच्चों के लिए. So you should be gunning for SNAP, may bottom. Now, Ashwin, my last question for you.
Sure.
It's been 2 years now.
Yeah.
Right? Now you are a senior here.
Yes.
How is this college यार? Underrated है, underdog है, मुझे पता है.
Yeah.
Give us a little more idea about this college.
So, as any other colleges, it's a B school. It's a premium B school.
Right.
I would say the first
Right.
year is like, as any B school, the life is hectic.
True.
So you will be running for case studies. You'll running for every other committees. You have a lot of
Right.
committees to work on, and every committee is student-driven committee.
Right.
Yeah, so you'll be working 24/7 almost. You get hardly 4 hours of sleep. It's chalta hai wo sab. And but as you enter, it all ease into the flow, and everything will flow, and it's really happening. And I would say,
How's the peer group? How are your buddies out here?
yeah, you get a mix. So it's a really good mix. There are technical wise and non-technical wise. It's a group of people. So I would say almost 40% is non-tech background. So we'll have,
Oh yeah, by the way, the non-engineers can also apply. Huh?
Yeah.
So engineer को देख के ऐसा मत बोलना कि खाली engineers
Yeah,
है.
yeah.
Non-engineers can also apply.
So in fact, the non-tech people are doing really good.
Is it?
So, yeah.
Nice.
I would say. So they have this urge to study, right? So we are like, sit back, we know this, but they are like, no, we need to study. Then they eventually end up doing better.
Right.
And learning better.
One more question.
Yeah.
So it's been a great journey for
Yes.
you, right? A lot of hustling, right? You did a job for 2 years. Along
Yeah.
with job, you prep for Snap, and now here you are.
Yes.
Amazing company,
Yes.
amazing package. How does it feel now? Even from the family perspective, if you can tell me, like, how does the family feel now? At home?
My family is happy. They are like, okay, it's a big name. I'm really happy. So never expected. So initially, my plan was to go abroad.
Oh,
Yeah. So then
you saved a lot of money, by the way.
Yeah, I saved a lot of money. I feel like it was a really good decision. I had a doubt initially whether my decision is right, but choosing SCIT was the best decision which I took, I would say.
All right. So Ashwin, my final question for the day.
Sure.
1 or 2 tips for all the Snap aspirants out there.
Okay.
क्या बताना चाहोगे?
So definitely one tip is give all the 3 attempts of snaps. So it's going to
Perfect.
help you. You never know when your luck is going to charm.
Perfect.
Plus focus more on logical reasoning.
Logical
That would
reasoning,
give
yeah, that's
you
scoring.
an edge. That's a scoring part. So
Right.
keep your edge over that other people. And definitely follow Ketan sir. He just tell you all the facts without veil. So that's informative, and keep your opportunities, keep your options wide and open. And yeah, definitely apply for SCIT. Yeah, that will be one more
And
tip.
give a lot of mocks if
And
possible.
give a lot of mocks. Yeah, definitely.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so very much, Ashwin. Thanks a lot for giving
Sure,
some time. I wish you all the very best, bro.
Yeah.
And guys, अगर ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा, so do hit like and share this with your friends, Telegram में, WhatsApp में, जहाँ पे भी possible है. Thank you so much.